Alright, bet, boom. So yeah, yo, what's up, YouTube? This video talk about general concept. Like, alright, so look, it's creating like a group. It's cultivating a group. It's really cultivating a group. They could be in Europe, but it's still cultivate. They could be contacting you through mediums, right? Because they found you. And they could be cultivated. Period. From a different state too. They don't gotta be right there with you. Like, it could be cultivated in a group. Period. Like through calls, or and you could host like some motherfucker host mastermind events, seminar events. Imagine you created cultivated a group of business getting motherfuckers to come to one of your mastermind events, seminar events, and everybody syndicating and throwing around great deals. That's way better, bro. This is the shit right here. I'm telling you this, bro. Before motherfucker like gonna help him. If you create a group of people finding great deals, and they meet up with you, say like every month, every 2 months, in a hosted event, and they all cultivating, syndicating deals together. Like, oh yeah, I got this deal, but I'm looking for somebody who has money they could put up to help me. This and then everybody's throwing great deals, bro. That's the greatest thing since sliced bread. Like, real shit. Like, yo, I'm telling you, it's way better. It's way better. That's elite. That's elite, bro. Because you influenced and cultivated people to get the business, they fuck with you so much that they come into your events, and now they bring in all those great deals, and they partnering with people like, yo, I got this great deal. I just need people to put money up for this deal that we could partner. Bro, they soon gonna throw it at you, the host. And you didn't have to do nothing. All you have to do is cultivate, grow a network of people who fuck with your message that you telling them, yo, go get the deals, guys. I'm telling y'all the truth. Fuck with me. Fuck with my events I'm a host with y'all. Bro, I'm telling you, this is how people making a fucking killing, bro. This is real shit. This is what I prefer to aim for. Like, people finding great deals and coming together in an event, like a hosted event, a hosted event, period, of everybody that I influenced and told them, yo, go find great deals. Go find great deals. We're gonna host this event. Here you can find partners. Maybe you could say like, hey, I found this great deals. I just need people who could put up money for this, and we can even the host is gonna be getting deals sent to them. You know what I mean? So for a host to come up with that whole shit, he's the real genius. Because what he just did is that he made it so, but it was positive. He told everybody, yo, let's do it. Come together, let's do it. Now he just fucking leveraged the whole group to get it to him, too. Bro, I swear, bro, that's genius, bro. Nobody cares about signing a fucking client for measly, a little ass $1,000, whatever the fuck $1,000. If you get the business, get motivated sellers, bro. This shit like letter of intent, all this stuff. I'm gonna put y'all on soon, bro. They're already like under contract, bro. That's lit, bro. That's lit, bro. Get the business, get the more sellers. And then this right here, the concept behind you are influencing people and telling them, yes, guys, get the business, get motivated sellers. Me, I'm influencing you guys. You guys are taking it from me. You guys want to do business with me because of it. Now I'm a host events where all of y'all can come together and y'all can partner with each other if y'all want to, or just to listen to me tell y'all like about like getting the business, motivated sellers. And then at the same time, now you can take advantage of being there with others where you could partner. You could throw deals. I could throw in, hey guys, who has like deals after this that y'all could come bring to my team. Maybe we could help y'all finish closing them. Guess what? Me for hosting that, I just used the whole group to bring me deals. Bro, I'm telling you, this shit is genius, bro. This shit is fucking genius, bro. I'm telling you, bro. This is how motherfuckers making a killing, bro. Fuck that shit everybody talking about. This is the real shit right here, bro. So that's what I'd rather aim for. This go, bro. Way more, 100 times more than saying, yeah, guys, you want to offer you want to get a client to pay you thousands of dollars. Some people probably built a relationship to the point where they probably got percentages for the service that they offered and all this. All you had to offer was that you're an investor investing in their business, and you're offering them, if they're a baby boomer, a way to go retire and do what they want with their family. That's really what is way better than fucking a service. Everything is a service that you are. Fuck that. Get the business. See if they motivated sellers. Get them on the contract. All that, bro. Get the business, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. You good at sales? I'm telling you. You fuck with my channel, my audience. If you good at sales, get the business, bro. I'm telling you. Hell yeah, bro. For real. You gotta be great at sales. I ain't gonna give up on that. I'm gonna be persistent. Soon I'm gonna crack that code, bro. I know relationships and all that shit. You need that, bro. But because if not, it's gonna cost you.